Another print with the Seoul Yin. That seems to have come out okay. Feels a little bit stringy on the outside again. Hi guys, I showed you I bought this little timer the other day so that I could make myself a panorama mount for the cameras. 3D printed that to sit on top of it, the right way round. So that will turn with a camera. That's the right size for my GoPro Hero 7 Black. That'll sit on there. Can wrap a couple of rubber bands around it to stop it falling out, but should be perfectly alright, perfectly stable like that on a nice flat surface. If you don't have a nice flat surface and you want to put a normal tripod on top, or put it on top of a normal tripod, I've now 3D printed a little tray for it. So that will sit in there, and then that will go on there. I've got these little brass inserts that you heat up on a soldering iron and push in there to hold it in place. So I'll do that and then we'll see if it fits. In the kitchen, soldering iron, that sits on there and gets hot. Give it a few minutes or seconds. It doesn't need to be glowing hot or anything, but the heat of a soldering iron is enough to melt the PLA. So is that hot enough yet? And there we go. So that now will fit on there. And that will fit on there. Job done. You could put a bit of sticky in there to hold it in place. Double-sided tape. Camera sits in there. Job done. And there's one of my GoPros sitting in it. And just for the record, my old action cameras will fit in the same slot. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.